Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone's doing great today. I'm going to show you something what I'm going to have for my Sunday meat dinner. So I'll be showing it to you now. Okay, first of all, I'm going to do my verse. And it's coming from Romans 1, chapter 1, verse 11 through 12. I long to see you so that I may impart to you some spiritual gifts to make you strong. That is, that you and I may be mutually encouraged by each other's faith. Romans 1, verse 11 through 12. Thank you so much, everyone. Today, the meat that I'm doing is a country-style pork stew. Pork ribs, okay. Country-style pork ribs. I've already got them washed and cleaned and ready. And I've already did my onions, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes, and that I'll be putting in around them. Okay, but first, and then I'll be also putting brown sugar. I have a cup of brown sugar that I'll be putting on, and then I'm going to also be using the Coca Cola. Okay. All right, now I'm getting started. I'm getting ready to get started with my regular ingredients, which is my garlic powder. I have the garlic powder instead of my garlic granulated today, so it's kind of smoky. I didn't realize I did, so yeah. But anyway, I've gotten started with it, so I'll have to continue with it. I didn't realize I had. Black pepper. Okay. All right, now I'm using table salt. I can use the salt today a little bit more because the children will be eating it not less, okay? Now I'm going to kind of blend it in with everything I have. All right, so now I'll have my garlic powder and everything on here. So now I'm getting ready to, I'm going to be pouring in this is the brown sugar. And I'll be working the brown sugar in also. This is a cup of brown sugar. All right. I have to put in a little bit bigger pan. So now I'm pouring out my extra. I got the carrots. I mean, not carrots, but sweet potatoes and bell peppers and sweet bell peppers and the green bell peppers also. So I'm putting this all around. These is country style ribs, okay? Southern country style ribs is what I'm doing today. Okay. Trying to open the top. Okay. Now this is what I'm using, and I'm using the Coca Cola, and the Coca Cola is going to help the country ribs to be tender if they're not. Sometimes you don't really know about the meat till you put it in, and you're hoping that it. I'm going to have to put more seasoning on top. Okay. What was that? What was this? Onion powder. This is a very good recipe for someone that want to make the country style ribs. And they're just the baked country style ribs with the brown sugar and sweet potatoes, the onions. Okay, I have to put just a little bit more salt on it also. I have to get my flavor. Sometimes once you put the Cokes in, the Coke will take off the your ingredients because it's very strong. So I want it to stay where it penetrate through the ribs so they'll be tender. And I want them to be tender. So I'm going to put them in the oven. And it should take about, I'm going to put them in at 350 for about 40 minutes. And I'm going to be back and let you see the results of them. Thank you so much. All right, this is the final touches of my Southern Country ribs, okay? And they are delicious. So I wanted you all to see the final touches. Don't forget, I said, I cooked them with Coca Cola. There's sweet potatoes, and there's all kind of bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, and green bell peppers, and onions, and also garlic with all of my flavors. And then it has the gravy with it. So this is very delicious. And this is the final touches of my country style ribs, Southern country style ribs. Thank you so much for viewing, and I hope you will try them sometime if you all can use pork. Thank you. Have a very blessed day. From Miss Lena with all of my love. Country style pork ribs. Sunday dinner. And it's off the chain, and I know it. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.